In front of me is the LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner and select Upload from device. Firstly, to add an audio file, select Audio at the top to find it, click on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, just tap on your file. If you want to add a video on, do exactly the same. This time though, select videos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!